4x4 time here at Unique Specialty and Classics. 1969 Chevrolet K10 regular cab long box. This particular truck did start out with a V8 engine in it. Still has one, not representing it as numbers matching though. So 350 underneath the hood, power steering, power brakes. Edelbrock carb sitting on top of that. Radiator has pusher fans, help keep it cool. V8 is paired with a TH or turbo 350 automatic transmission. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see underneath the hood, underside of this truck, interior, check out the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. And of course our phone number 507-386-1726. You can see up and down the side of this truck pretty straight, especially get a car or truck this long. Take a look at that. As far as color wise and paint, I would call this well, back in '69 light yellow. It's probably the similar color you could have gotten, very similar to a Daytona yellow. We've had a few Corvettes come through in this vintage, very similar to that. Has had a restoration and a repaint, so yellow bottom, as you can see, white on the top. Other nice thing about this, check out this interior. Vinyl and cloth houndstooth. Nice looking interior in this. Also kept very stock looking. Bed of it does have the wood bed and the center dividers painted to match. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. This vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract, so consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. It's riding on BF Goodrich wheels, as you can see. Rubber on it. Good tread left. As far as the wheels, they're the 8-hole aluminum Pacer wheels. And again, check out the still pictures, engine bay, underside, uniqueclassiccars.com. Show you something up and down this side too. You can see that the driver's side also looks straight. Now I did notice there's a little body work showing through here on the side of the bed, and that's also pointed out in the pictures, so you'll be able to see that in the pictures also. Check out the interior. I did have the wipers working. Was not installed with a radio, so did not have a radio to check. As far as gauges, I know the oil pressure gauge worked. Did not see the battery temp or gas gauge move. Let's start it up and I'll show you. So you can see tilt column. And again, automatic transmission, shifter in the column, turbo 350. Let's go ahead and start this up. Like I said, didn't appear gas gauge moved. Oil pressure worked good. See, truck starts easily, runs well. Nice sound to it. Seat free of rips, tears, stains. Seat looks good. Top of the cab and everything. Door closes nicely. Slip around to the back. No crazy exhaust. Nice little rumble coming out of that 350, but nothing over the top. All right, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's check underneath that hood, show you the engine bay, and we'll wrap up this video. All right, pusher fans, if you can see them in front of the radiator there. I mentioned power steering, power brakes, 350 V8 underneath the hood, Edelbrock carb. And again, this was originally a 350 truck, but not representing that as the original engine. It is paired with a turbo 350 automatic transmission. Looking for a nice 4x4, here you go, 1969 K10 Chevrolet pickup. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it, that's going to take you right there. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract.